Imagine for a moment you are out in the vast expanse of the ocean, the endless blue stretching in every direction. You're aboard a state-of-the-art research vessel, and you're about to uncover a secret that has remained hidden for centuries. This was the reality for a team of scientists aboard the Falkor, a research ship from the Schmidt Ocean Institute. In October 2024, as the Falkor glided over the northern reaches of Australia's Great Barrier Reef, they stumbled upon something extraordinary, an underwater structure so large and awe-inspiring that it changed the very way we view the ocean floor. This discovery wasn't just a random find, it was the unveiling of a colossal new reef, one that stood taller than many of the world's most iconic landmarks. At 500 meters high, around 1,640 feet, this newly discovered reef towers far above anything we've ever seen in the deep ocean. It is larger, more monumental than anything we thought possible. Just think about this, the Empire State Building, standing proudly in New York City, reaches a height of 381 meters. Now, imagine a reef standing almost 120 meters taller than that, silently rising from the depths. In fact, this reef reaches higher than not only the Empire State Building but also the Sydney Tower in Australia and even the towering Petronas Twin Towers in Malaysia. This discovery marked a breakthrough in marine exploration. For more than a century, no new reefs of this scale had been uncovered. It wasn't just another coral cluster, it was a true underwater skyscraper, with vast expanses stretching far beneath the surface. In a place where every inch of the ocean has been mapped and studied, the reveal of this giant structure left the scientific community in awe. But how did the researchers discover this immense reef? The technology behind the discovery, modern technology, is what allowed these researchers to find this hidden giant. Before they made the dive to see it up close, they first mapped the ocean floor using cutting-edge technology designed to uncover the mysteries of the deep. One of the key tools in their arsenal was Sebastian, a state-of-the-art underwater robotic explorer. Sebastian isn't your typical robot, it's a marvel of engineering, designed specifically to withstand the immense pressure and darkness of the deep ocean. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, this little robot ventured down to the ocean floor, transmitting live video back to the team on the Falkor. Through Sebastian's eyes, the team was able to observe the reef in ways they had never dreamed of before. They saw it in 3D, in full color, as though they were swimming alongside it. This live-streamed exploration gave the world a first-hand view of this extraordinary structure, one that no human had ever seen in person. The reef's towering presence wasn't just visually stunning, it provided crucial data that scientists had never been able to gather before. The ability to map and explore this reef in such intricate detail has opened new doors in oceanography and marine biology. But this was only the beginning. The reef structure and features this reef's design is unlike any other in the ocean. The base of the structure is described as blade-like, stretching an astounding 1.5 kilometers, about 1 mile, across. Imagine that, 1.5 kilometers of jagged edges and steep slopes rising from the ocean floor. As the reef climbs, it doesn't just rise gently, it soars at a dramatic angle, reaching its shallowest point just 40 meters below the surface of the ocean. For comparison, think about how a skyscraper is built, with a sturdy foundation that extends far below the ground. In the same way, this reef stands on a massive foundation beneath the water. The sheer size and scale of it make it feel more like a mountain than a reef. Yet, it remains relatively untouched, hidden beneath the waves for centuries. It's as if nature itself had built an ancient fortress, only to hide it away from the world until the right moment. The reef's towering structure serves as a reminder of the mysteries that lie beneath the surface of our planet. Scientists are still just beginning to understand its full scope. Could this reef have been shaped by ancient geological processes, or is it part of a new chapter in the planet's ever-changing ecosystem? The answers could shed light on how other reefs form and evolve, offering invaluable insights into the ocean's health. The environmental impact. While this discovery is certainly awe-inspiring, it also comes at a crucial time. The Great Barrier Reef, one of the world's largest and most biodiverse ecosystems, is facing significant environmental threats. In recent decades, the reef has been decimated by coral bleaching, a process triggered by rising ocean temperatures, and other threats like pollution and overfishing. More than half of the coral populations have disappeared over the past 30 years, leaving many scientists and environmentalists deeply concerned about its future. The discovery of this new reef, though stunning, also serves as a stark reminder that the oceans are not invincible. The reef is part of an ecosystem that is in peril. Climate change is causing ocean temperatures to rise, creating conditions that are far too warm for many coral species to survive. As a result, many reefs are dying off, leaving a devastating impact on the marine life that depends on them. The new reef is an important piece of the puzzle. It offers a glimmer of hope for the survival of the Great Barrier Reef and perhaps a chance to study how these unique structures could thrive in a changing world. Researchers are now looking at how this reef was able to survive, and if its resilience can offer lessons for preserving other coral ecosystems around the world. The ecological significance of the Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is a wonder of the natural world. It spans nearly 133,000 square miles, making it the largest coral reef system on the planet. Home to over 1,500 species of fish, 400 varieties of corals, and thousands of other marine organisms, it's an ecosystem like no other. But the significance of the reef goes beyond its size. It plays an essential role in the health of the world's oceans, acting as a nursery for fish, a habitat for marine mammals, and a buffer against storms. For centuries, the reef has been a vital source of life for marine species, but its future is uncertain. Climate change continues to threaten its existence, with warming ocean temperatures and acidification jeopardizing the delicate balance of this ecosystem. That's why the discovery of this new reef is so significant. It's not just a new geological feature, it's part of a larger narrative about the resilience and fragility of marine ecosystems. But it also shows us that even in the face of grave environmental threats, nature can still surprise us. The discovery of this towering reef offers a new hope, a new piece of the puzzle that scientists can study and protect in their ongoing efforts to save the Great Barrier Reef. Now, let's take a closer look at the team of scientists who made this astonishing discovery. Leading the expedition was Dr. Robin Beeman, a marine geologist whose expertise in ocean exploration played a pivotal role in uncovering this monumental reef. Dr. Beeman, along with his team aboard the Falkor, had been mapping the seafloor in the northern part of the Great Barrier Reef. Their goal was to create a detailed map of the region, but little did they know, they were about to uncover something far beyond their expectations. The team's excitement was palpable when they realized the scale of their find. Dr. Beeman expressed his astonishment by saying, "To not only 3D map the reef in detail but also visually see this discovery with Sue Bastian is incredible. It's moments like these that make scientific exploration so exhilarating, when technology meets discovery, and the unknown is revealed." Their hard work and persistence have given us a glimpse into a world few people have ever witnessed, and their findings will continue to shape the future of marine research for years to come. One of the stars of this discovery was Sue Bastian, the underwater robot deployed to dive deep into the ocean and explore the newly found reef. Sue Bastian is no ordinary underwater machine. With its advanced camera system, sonar mapping technology, and ability to operate in extreme conditions, it allowed researchers to get an up-close look at the reef from angles that would be impossible for human divers to achieve. Sue Bastian's role in this expedition was crucial. It provided the team with real-time data, transmitting detailed visuals of the reef structure back to the research vessel. Through Sue Bastian's eyes, the world got to see this magnificent underwater skyscraper come to life. The technology that made this possible is a testament to the incredible advancements in oceanography, allowing us to explore the deep ocean like never before. Sue Bastian didn't just gather data, it helped researchers understand the environmental conditions around the reef. It captured video footage, revealing the reef's biological diversity, and its interactions with marine life. This information is invaluable, not only in studying the reef itself but in understanding how other marine ecosystems might be impacted by climate change and human activities. While this discovery is exhilarating, it also brings to light an urgent reality. The Great Barrier Reef is not only a breathtaking natural wonder, it's also a fragile ecosystem that faces grave threats. Climate change, pollution, and overfishing are taking a toll on coral reefs worldwide, and the Great Barrier Reef is no exception. In recent years, the reef has suffered extensive coral bleaching due to rising sea temperatures. This phenomenon occurs when the symbiotic relationship between coral and the algae living within it breaks down. Without this algae, the coral loses its color and is unable to thrive. If this continues, coral reefs like the Great Barrier Reef could face irreversible damage. The discovery of this new reef offers a glimmer of hope. It shows that the ocean still holds secrets, new ecosystems, new species, and new habitats that may help restore the balance of marine life. Scientists are now focusing on the health of this newly found reef and studying its ability to survive and adapt to the changing climate. Could this reef hold the key to understanding how other coral reefs might endure the challenges of the future? Only time and further research will tell. A bright future for ocean exploration. The uncovering of this monumental reef is just one of many breakthroughs in the field of marine exploration. As technology continues to advance, scientists are able to dive deeper into the ocean and uncover the mysteries hidden beneath the surface. For centuries, the depths of the oceans have remained largely unexplored, but that is changing at a rapid pace. With the advent of sophisticated underwater robotics, high-resolution sonar mapping, and even AI-assisted research, the world is opening up in ways we never imagined. There are still vast areas of the ocean that remain unexplored, and with every new discovery, we learn more about the complexities of marine ecosystems, the creatures that inhabit them, and the geological processes that shape our planet. This newfound reef is just the beginning. As we continue to explore the oceans, we will undoubtedly uncover more underwater marvels, each one more astonishing than the last. These discoveries not only expand our knowledge but also reinforce the importance of protecting our oceans for future generations. While the discovery of this new reef is cause for celebration, it also highlights the challenges that the Great Barrier Reef faces. The reef is one of the most important ecosystems on Earth, and its health is essential not only for marine life but for human well-being as well. The Great Barrier Reef contributes billions of dollars annually to the Australian economy through tourism and fishing industries. It also serves as a vital research site for scientists studying marine biology and ecology. However, the future of the reef is uncertain. If current trends in climate change and environmental degradation continue, the reef could be irreparably damaged, and the consequences would be far-reaching. This makes conservation efforts even more critical. As we continue to explore and understand the oceans, it is essential that we also work to protect them. Efforts to reduce carbon emissions, combat pollution, and establish marine protected areas are all crucial steps in ensuring that future generations can continue to experience the beauty and biodiversity of the Great Barrier Reef and other marine ecosystems. Despite the threats it faces, the Great Barrier Reef and its newly discovered counterparts show remarkable resilience. While much of the coral has been lost, the reef itself continues to evolve. Scientists have observed that some coral species are adapting to warmer temperatures, and certain marine life forms are thriving in the changing environment. This resilience offers hope for the future, showing that even in the face of adversity, nature has the ability to adapt and survive. The newly discovered reef may hold the key to unlocking further secrets about how coral ecosystems can persist in a warming world. Understanding how this reef was able to survive and grow in such extreme conditions could lead to groundbreaking discoveries in coral restoration and reef conservation. This discovery is not just about a massive underwater structure, it's a symbol of the unexplored potential that lies beneath the surface of the Earth. Our oceans are still largely a mystery, and as technology continues to evolve, we are learning more about them every day. The existence of this new reef is a reminder of the importance of scientific exploration. It is through exploration and discovery that we gain a deeper understanding of the world around us and our place within it. The reef's discovery is a testament to the power of curiosity, technology, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. The Great Barrier Reef is more than just a collection of coral and marine life. It is a living, breathing ecosystem that has shaped the history of the planet. Its legacy is one of resilience, beauty, and mystery. As we move forward, it's up to us to ensure that this legacy continues, not just for us but for future generations. The newly discovered reef adds another chapter to the story of the Great Barrier Reef, one that will inspire future generations of scientists, explorers, and conservationists to continue the work of preserving and protecting this incredible ecosystem. As we conclude this journey into the depths of the ocean, let us reflect on the lessons we've learned. The discovery of this towering reef is a reminder that there is still so much to uncover about the natural world. But it also highlights the importance of protecting our oceans and the delicate ecosystems that inhabit them. The future of the Great Barrier Reef, and other marine ecosystems like it, depends on our actions today. It's up to all of us, scientists, policymakers, conservationists, and everyday citizens, to take steps to protect our oceans and the life they sustain. If we do, the future of our planet and its oceans will be brighter, healthier, and more vibrant. As we've seen, the discovery of this massive new reef off the coast of Australia is a monumental moment in the world of marine science. It's a story of wonder, resilience, and the power of exploration. But it's also a reminder of the responsibility we bear in preserving the natural world. The ocean, with all its mysteries and marvels, is an essential part of our planet's future. And as we continue to explore its depths, we must also protect it for the generations to come.